Hi, I'm Anand from Third Eye Photography. I am a Bangalore-based wedding photographer. I used to be an engineer and I used to work in an IT company earlier, like most of the people from Bangalore. Either you're a doctor or an engineer. So now you are a doctor or an engineer or a photographer. I happen to be that. Okay. So yeah, I attended Capturing Wow in 2020, and before that also I have been attending a lot of live events because I wanted to update my skills, really do my best. Typically, when I used to attend these earlier live events, the session durations used to be 4 hours, 5 hours for one speaker, and the first 1 hour would go in the speaker introducing himself or herself. Okay, many times they don't share what really is of value to us, and it used to be mostly disappointing and a complete waste of time, and forget the fact that it used to be exorbitant. So yeah, Divya was in one of with me in one of these sessions. Okay, we both have experienced this in Bangalore. But yeah, it's quite nice to have Divya as a speaker, and I'm just really looking forward to the session. But okay, before I get sidetracked, when Love started Capturing Wow, he completely changed that. He gave speakers only 1 hour to speak, and the introductions were like very short. The speakers had to get back to the point and had to really deliver value. I think Love used to work with the speakers and try to have a control over the content that is being shared, because he really wanted to make sure that the people who are coming to the event get real value. So I think that really helped us a lot, and that's one of the reasons I've been hooked on since 2020. I completely attended all the sessions in 2020. Then 2021 I attended the wedding photography and cinematography segment. I even attended Harpreet Bachchar's masterclass, and I'm really looking forward to what they're doing this time. Final thoughts. The price of the session is ridiculous. I mean, it's not even the cost of a used SD card. So I think everybody should sign up for it, whoever is into wedding photography or even interested in these things. Also, getting your portfolio reviewed is just invaluable. I think that itself is worth the cost of a pro pass. So please do consider upgrading your this one. The last reason why I would recommend people to upgrade is just because of the fact that the kind of content people like Divyam and the other great mentors are going to be sharing is it's just going to be mind blowing, and you may not be able to catch all of that in one shot. So I really recommend reviewing that again so that you get real value of your participation in this summit. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there. This is not a paid ad. I'm genuinely saying this because I like Love would want to make a difference to your life. So that's it. Thank you.